so that when the patch drops I don't have to cast code 2 for like a week or two. Give myself a big buffer.
Sappers, little stroll into Jerry's line. Nothing to worry about.
Infantry requisitioned. The lads are raising the colours.
What's the task?
Yeah, I don't think there's much in it though, because this way the Aussies are already on the front lines, right?
We've got orders to move. Hang about. Stop him for a
He's
moment.
already done the run up.
Position taken.
What have you quit, you lollygag? That was a little too easy, hey?
Sappers.
Royal Engineers trained and ready to go. That position. We hear you've got trouble.
I wonder if I should send these guys over here.
We're setting our sights and moving out. Sit tight.
Sappers on site. Eyes open.
Sometimes I have a little bit of trouble hearing some of the game sounds
by to deploy.
during Stage of Summer because my PC is howling.
Royal Engineers here.
I got a fan blowing on me as well.
And here we go.
It's
Time to
difficult
march. That's far enough.
to hear some of the sounds.
Jerry's is ours.
Where are we going? Can we blow Gaza, you're on flag
Sappers,
duty.
eager to shift some dead weight. The sandbags are laid. Ground needs taking, boyos.
We have infantry support. Australians, no less.
We're not fucking mitching, David. Royal Engineers here. Everybody needs cover, even if the task. Shift your ground needs taking, boyos.
Aussie rats here. Sappers reported. Position taken. Got some hard yakka for us.
Royal Engineers here.
Where is this guy? Is he playing
Sandbags done.
Wehrmacht as well?
Got anything less degrading for us? We're not fucking mitching, David.
Enemy rifles! They're having a
So
go!
I'm gonna cut
Apparently
fits
it's
with
ready.
these.
Ordnance received! He's dead!
That HMG's firing on us!
Can I get around the corner on them here?
Sappers here. Working. He's dead! Pretty spicy for a dead man. Oh, wait, back! Back! Don't fucking stop! Sap, nobody home?
Infantry are standing by to
If I
deploy.
could get this
No
squad
lost,
right.
gear, boys. We're going. Pack it up, lads. Take cover! Under
Maybe.
enemy fire, yeah? Pass those blood. Hold the position! Cavalry can't be too far off. Infantry squad killed.
Hey-yo.
Lads.
Less infantry closing on us!
Tightrope fan, you'll have to see that. But I'm way behind on my tick.
Second.
I completely forgot to tick up.
Hush up!
Brain AFK.
We're losing a capture point to enemy action.
Let's just go off as fast as possible.
Capture it! Whatever it takes! Halt! What is it? Tooth and nail!
Command's done. Sappers on oh, we're needed elsewhere, lads. Pronto. Let's get to it.
Supplies aren't making it back to HQ. Lines cut.
Command needs digging in.
Rifles
Strength.
up, asses in gear!
Royal Engineers. Like shit through a goose.
Waiting on your word!
Sappers, receiving orders.
Good on you, mate!
Pack it up, lads.
What have
We're
you got?
moving.
Heading into the bush.
What's the task?
Fully
Platoon
reinforced!
command post up.
Grab your gear!
2-pounder anti-tank guns have been requisitioned.
Sappers, eager to shift. Time to march, boys. Come on, enemy infantry getting chopsy, lads. Sappers, reporting.
We're alright, moving forward!
Get it antsy. Stop.
Go for
Aussie
flame
We're
and flush
losing
them
a
out
victory
right in the
point
middle.
to enemy action.
We're going.
Get to your order. We've got orders
What have
to
you
move.
got?
So move.
Machine gun! We're in
Awaiting
range!
orders.
Victory point belongs to the enemy.
They won't let this go without a fight!
Get to it. Royal Engineers, ready. We're needed elsewhere, lads. Oh, yeah, we're moving.
You need light infantry? Crikey!
Sappers,
Enemies
get
opened
it.
up on us! Machine gun! We're in range! Listen up! All the infantry closing on us!
What? How about you fucking shoot your flamethrower in there, you dickhead? Stand there for
They're under fire.
good 30 seconds. Just doing nothing. see. Oh.
We shall prepare our light vehicle crews at once.
Line in for marching!
Roger that. Come on, sappers. Get to follow in.
Enemy rifles! They're having
Sappers.
a go!
And here we go.
Enemy
Sap,
fire!
pack it up, lads.
It's fucking
We're
bad!
moving. Sappers receiving, eyes open, guns up. We're taking
You've got
that position.
trouble!
Light vehicle crews have completed their training.
We found Jerry! He's none too pleased. Far too close for comfort. Taking hits.
What are you doing? Shoot him. Don't I move you guys forwards?
Sappers getting
Oh my goodness.
The enemy have taken our territory.
secure that position.
Lads are accounted for. We hear you've got trouble. Let's get some blisters for your blisters. You need light infantry.
Come on, sappers, get to
We have territories
Eagles.
exposed out
Wow.
there. Lines being cut.
It's a meme and a quarter.
fire.
Light infantry.
Back,
Acknowledge.
don't fucking stop.
Jerry's around here somewhere.
15 CWT truck rolling in now.
Find him first. Light infantry moving. Like we've never marched before. Come on, give it a little haste. Push up. There. Now.
Stop mucking about, light driver. Take your
Eagles will ever be.
Infantry club. Fall back.
A fuel
Fitz
point
Bro,
is being
thanks for the raid,
overrun.
brother.
Listen up. All
The enemy has pushed us back from our sector.
He's V1, so he could punish me here.
Just taking enemy territory.
Awaiting instruct. Fighting our way.
We've
I
lost
jumped
the
out of the
sector.
building. Huge mistake. Huge mistake.
Sappers, eager to shift some
Oh,
dead
man,
weight.
he's wired
Eyes
this all
open,
off, eh?
Guns up. We're taking that position.
Oh boy, it's a Faust.
Sappers under stress.
Oh my god.
Lads are accounted for.
Right click doesn't work properly on this unit.
Commander, like we've never marched before.
Australian weapon team is deployed. Our victory point is being overrun.
Sloppy.
Victory point lost. The enemy has control.
It up now. We need space for the wounded.
That was sloppy.
We've got orders to move. So move.
to get to it.
Oof, a little bit stressful there, if I'm honest. I think I got to rebuild that lost Aussie now.
Sappers on site. Let me guess. Little stroll into Jerry's line.
The enemy has claimed a sector.
I want barbed wire on this position.
I'll swap sides with Polsten as well.
Contact with the enemy. Back. Is it load bearing?
Yeah, sure. We'll just lug this thing around.
Sappers.
I wouldn't expect him to go for a stud, but it would be pretty good.
The enemy has it.
Weapon team, ready. We'll get it done.
Yeah, there's a little bit of a bug where you can get the bonus on it twice at the moment. And it's just about makes it okay to use. You might notice it's quite fast.
The ability is ready
Can't
for
remind
use.
me for sure. Oh, if I was faster on the trigger, maybe I could have got it. Legs crazy, dude. Oh my god, it's just Heartbreak after heartbreak today.
Stafford, fall back now.
Infantry are standing by to deploy.
What's the like shit
Oh
throat
my god, he's got two
stopping now,
pea greens. That is wiped. He's 100% wiped.
Battle group ability unlocked.
You're patching it up now.
Royal Engineer, they've cut us off.
Machine gun.
Territory is out of supply.
Oh, it's not going my way, boys. It's not going my way.
Aussie rats here. Ha! They won't see this coming. 2-pounder needs a target. Send your message.
We're losing a victory point.
Is it load bearing?
Yes.
Then it's fixed. Stow that gear, boys. We're going.
Victory point is in enemy hands.
We found Jerry. He's not too pleased.
Over-repair, buddy.
We're under fire! Find cover, you
Enemy
go!
rifles! They're having a go!
Fast! Don't fucking stop!
Maintain distance! Infantry!
Fucking piece of shit. Oh, what are you doing, man? It's in range. I can see the circle. That's another reason why you don't use this. That's another reason why you don't use this unit.
Initiating rollout of battlefield commissions for the men.
We've got orders.
Return fire on those bastards!
Ready to get to it.
A sector is in enemy control.
Everybody's pushing up!
You need them, Vickers! Shift it! Run!
Pathfinding is not your friend.
Training complete. Our infantry will be better prepared.
Push up! Infantry closing on it!
We can now construct Bishop self-propelled artillery.
Command there! Now!
Good as new. Repair's finished.
Where are we going? Making headway to the
Sappers,
target!
we're taking that position. We're all tore up. Taking fire. Sappers, we're ready. Repair shop.
Come on!
What do you want to play?
Bloody Heads down!
We're up! Take that point
Commander!
from them!
All right, moving forward. We hear you. Maintain distance. Infantry! Listen up! Come on! It'll be ours!
Ready for retreat!
This side of the map is definitely shittier than the other, right? This building having coverage of your cutoff,
Damnation. The
and this one
sector's
being
in
blocked.
enemy hands.
What have you got? Setting our sights and moving out.
Doesn't really seem fair.
Lads, the right man says stop! Give us some breathing room! Packed up! Riding on! Salmon! Man and man! Jesus Christ! Stop this bitch!
This is ours. Spark up while it's tight.
Put the foot down, driver! Make a move, light infantry! Quit your lollygagging and march! You need some Aussies! Alright, driver.
Is it low bearing?
Repositioning inside!
Orders! Jump to it, lads!
I'm waiting all sappers.
Bishop 25-pounder carrier is ready. Sector lost. Repeat. Sector lost.
Sapper, come on, bastard. Take that position. Area secure. Run, Sapper. Run.
I just can't get a wipe today, boys. Just cannot happen.
Where are we going? We're standing by! Full throttle! We're going!
Impossible.
We hit with you, lollygagging, and march! Marching! Break him! Push him back!
The beggars are threatening a victory point.
Stop! Now!
Get a wipe. Has tightrope challenge. Impossible.
under enemy control.
Open fire! Aussies here!
Need a tank. Can't find anybody.
Desert coordinates received!
Get off your ass!
Damn it! The enemy holds all victory points. You have 3 command points available. The beggars are threatening a fuel point.
Awaiting instructions, sir! Snappers, forget it!
This isn't good. The enemy have the upper hand. Territory lost.
Singing from the same hymn sheet, Commander!
Listen up! All of you!
New ability ready.
We'll have it in no time at all.
Ready. Finish your mission.
Royal Engineers, ready. Take cover!
Enemy strategic.
Fall back now!
Fight and get this place locked down! Aussies here! Maintain distance! Now!
Is it low there?
Over there! Troopers! We're taking losses here! Coordinates received! Keep your distance! Heads down! Tank!
Handiwork.
You need light infantry? All right, fall back!
Let's get moving. We don't have a brewer.
Royal Engineers, roll out the sleeper. We're not fucking bitching,
What have you
damn it.
got?
We're
Our
taking
supply line's broken. We have sectors isolated out there.
Work's done here!
I thought I started an AT gun. Maybe got cancelled
Where are
because
we
I.
going? Let's get some blisters for your
Snappers.
blisters!
Are you gonna show
Um,
some dead weight? Job's better than fucking taking hits! Oh, fuck it, duck! Armor's firing on us! They're breaking through us, yeah? Snappers, hold the position! Cavalry can't be too far off! Awaiting instructions!
We're losing a victory point. The enemy has our victory points now. The enemy has claimed a sector.
He's gunning for it! Open up, lads!
Tankers here. Who on here? Mission moving.
Command
Oh! 1! Literally 1 HP!
Wait, hold your asses! Move, come on, bastards!
No!
Let me guess. You should see the other guy.
Best not be sending us
Look at a dead horse.
Oh, that's a tragedy.
Ready round. 80. Trust one.
Grab
on the side. We're moving. Pickers relocating.
Light infantry have a
So we've got 2 choices, and I think we tick up.
locked down! Commander!
Landmines in place.
Sit down. Get to work.
Can we blow it up now?
Aussies here!
Mine blade. Might want to avoid this block.
Target!
Stop, pack it up, lads. We're moving. Time to march, boys.
Listen up! All of you!
Royal Engineers, yeah? Oh, we're needed elsewhere, lads.
Gonna mine the shit out of everything.
Start working, lads. Maintain distance. Infantry.
Orders. Jump to it, lads. Come on, lads.
Sappers receiving orders.
Diamond ball back.
6-pounder anti-tank gun.
Heads down.
Ready for
Enemy
trouble.
rifles. You're having a go. Marching.
We're standing by. Bishop, getting some distance.
What? Fucking disable it.
So move. Starting the work. Oh, we go right here. Clear heads down, boys. Orders received. Sappers, we're moving. Look.
Where are we going? All right, moving forward. Maintain distance. Infantry. Pack up.
We've lost the sector to the enemy.
Understood.
Fuck. What? You're trying to drive up to point blank to shoot that.
Infantry. Here. Fire for effect. We'll have it in no time at all.
Did it lose range or something? Why can I only shoot that far?
We're losing a victory point to enemy action.
Here we go.
Victory point under enemy control.
SPG needs orders.
You have command points available.
Get us out of here. Reverse.
Not better than fucking paintwork, innit? On it.
Alright, use some footies.
The lads are at securing location.
Is MG ready? All set.
Ready. Right, we're going to capture.
Sappers on site. Hazard removal package
Armor ready,
requisition.
eager and willing. Let's go.
Loading gear. You need light infantry? Securing supplies from Jerry.
Already done. That's lovely. Come on, sappers. Get to follow in. Landmines in place.
We are losing territory.
Some blisters for your blisters.
Your sister gave us the right cut before we left. Sappers, reporting.
They won't see this coming.
Royal Engine. Little stroll into Jerry's line. Task? Nothing to worry about.
I say, we have guards on standby.
Shift in position.
You need light infantry? Quit your lollygagging and march.
Sappers, eager as we'll ever be. Stow that gear, boys. We're going. We're taking that position.
Roger. Bishop relocating.
Enemy rifles! They're having a go.
The beggars are threatening a victory point.
Need a personal invitation. We have our destination, lads. His Majesty's mighty taking enemy fire. We're on the line.
Victory point is in enemy hands.
Everyone, enemy aircraft.
Oh, I got him! Bishop boys!
Sector lost. Repeat, sector lost.
Sappers, get to follow in.
Because
Infantry closing on it.
We have command points available for use.
Fire! Fight, cover you got.
return fire on all bastards.
Get to the fire! Hold your armpit! Inside, you bastards! Every man through window! Stop firing! They're fucking dead like...
Okay, we got some wipes, boys. We finally got some wipes.
It's Eagle. You got orders?
The lads are accounted
That's
for.
how you do it.
We're moving. Lorder,
Sappers,
you with me?
receiving all started.
Armor firing on us! Fire back, you bastards! Come on, back you meaning! We're taking losses! Give up, bloody
Commander, we have a stockpile of command points available.
Yes.
One step closer. Jolly good work.
Direct shot. Yeah, I only had enough munitions for one. I wanted this as well, but I didn't have enough munitions. Couldn't do another one of these either. Bit of a toss by him. I think he got tilted by my bishop killing his P4. I was tilted. I was like, oh my god, I bounced my last 2 bazookas, or 3 bazookas in a row, I think. And he's repairing it in combat, so I can't do anything. Nice. That was a nice little win. Sending this back to base. This is back at base. That P4 probably would have done a lot more damage there. But everything survived. I didn't put over-repair on the bishop. I should remember to do that.